Discover a home that blends modern style with everyday comfort, set in one of Gungalin's most picturesque and beautiful suburbs. Set on a 506 square metre block with a perfect northerly rear aspect, it's filled with natural light and is designed for energy efficiency. Featuring 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a spacious open plan living with premium finishes for all year-round comfort. Fronting directly onto Mulligans Flat Nature Reserve, you'll enjoy walking trails and a tranquil outlook right at your doorstep. All just moments from local schools and shops, combining lifestyle and convenience in one outstanding package. I'm Jess Smith, proudly representing Stone Real Estate, and welcome to 82 Blizzard Circuit here in the beautiful suburb of Forde.